Welcome to the Dusseldorf Boat Show with the Marine Channel. I am down on the X Yachts stand, and behind me you see one of their beautiful boats, but it's not one of their normal boats that I'm going to show you today. It is this, the XR41. It is their new boat specifically designed at racing. X Yachts have a great racing pedigree, great history, and have excelled and certainly performed very well on handicap. So here we're going to look at their new version, the X41, and see how it stands up. What we do have is the luxury of being able to have a really good look around the outside of it, because it's here out of the water. And the first thing you notice is this stunning black bowsprit and very cool railings there. Looks a bit like a catapult. But as we walk aft, we can see the sweeping lines accentuated by that black line, and it is very coolly laid out. Nice little hull window there. So they do two versions of this, a race version and a sport version, as they call it, which is slightly more comfortable. But a great transom on there. So as we step aboard, it's a very beamy boat, which means a wonderful cockpit and just plenty of space. We've got twin helms, winches there. Just look at that. This looks a really exciting boat to race. Got our main track all calibrated within the decking. Just go forward. A couple of seats there. Hatches down, instruments there, all the lines led back under the deck, and some dinghy style jammers there. But a very tweaky boat. Let's go down below and have a look. And it is really comfortable. So I'll just pan round. Slightly dark down here, but adds to the ambience. So we have a dining area, or two dining areas I should say, either side for your crew. It's quite minimalist down here, be about saving weight, so no fancy linings. Then as we move forward, we have the galley, keel step mast, sink, cooker there, got a chiller in there, and over here just some general storage, and a bottle of X Yachts gin, is that? Opposite here we have the heads, so we've got really nicely fitted out heads, sink, loo there. If I just come in, show you the whole area. And then forward, and there are doors to shut this off, you've got a double cabin. Again, pretty minimalist, but this boat designed at racing. If we go aft, we have two double cabins, standard layout, but you have got a pipe cot up there. So you've got sleeping for 2, 4, 6 people, 6 crew. Some storage there. And exactly the same on the other side. So there we have it. A very tweaky, very different style boat, but one that I suspect will perform very, very well, and time will tell how it gets on. But I hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of this beautiful boat. If you have, please do remember to subscribe, hit that alarm button, and we can let you have any new boats that come up. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.